Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the PerspecTube. Here we dive into the latest tech to level up your video content. Today we are talking about something very important that can make or break your YouTube content. That is audio quality. Great visuals are important, but if your audio isn't clear, then viewers may quickly tune out. Think about it, how many times you have clicked away from a video because you couldn't hear the person speaking clearly. That's why investing in a good microphone is crucial for any serious content creator. In fact, audio makes up about 50% of your video's impact. That's important. I have been using these headphones for a very long time for my YouTube videos. They did the great job, but not the quality that I was looking for. And I think it's the time to level up my audio setup. So I have got the FDuce SL40 podcast microphone as well as the microphone stand. Let's unbox and review the FDuce microphone along with the microphone stand that I have got here. We'll also do the quick setup how these two works together. So let's unbox our podcast microphone first. On the back side of the packaging we have specifications, polar pattern cardioid, input sample rate which is 96 kHz, bit rate is 24 bit, frequency response is 50 Hz to 14 kHz, and the sensitivity is minus 54 decibel. And we have a USB cable length which is 2 meter. Okay, let's unbox this one. Let's unbox it. So first thing first, we have got very nice packaging. It feels premium. And let's keep this one aside. First thing, we have got the user manuals, which is always great to have it for the reference. It has accessories, descriptions, instructions, specification, connection via XLR or connection via USB. And let's keep this one aside. So let's open up the other things. They have included USB-C to USB cable as well as the converter. That's great to have it. Let's keep this one aside. And we have an XLR wire, giving you option depending on your setup. This flexibility is great whether you are setting for a professional studio or a portable setup. Now let's take a look at this microphone itself. This thing has really nice metal body and a premium look, almost like a SM7B. It feels solid and well built, which is fantastic for the durability. On the microphone, we have got some cool features, volume minus and volume plus button for easy control, and a handle to hang it securely. It has a two knob which is solid. It has also the microphone ring, which is nice touch. We have also a pop filter which has a ring inside it, and it will fit automatically over here. So let's keep it like this, and it will not pull off while you do this. On the bottom of the microphone we have a headphone jack to monitor the audio. We have the USB-C cable which you can plug it directly into the computer or as a USB microphone, and we have also got the XLR plug. Let's keep this one aside and let's unbox our phone stand. Oh, let's keep this box aside, and we have the clamp for the desk. We have a desk clamp. We have the microphone holder as well as we have the stand itself. It is pretty sturdy piece of equipment which is necessary to hold this microphone. Base is really nice and heavy, which will not easily tip over. Let's connect this piece together. Now let's connect this one over here. We have a two knot on the either side of the microphone so that you can make your adjustment as you need it. And there you go, we got the microphone stand, set it up with the microphone. And let me test this one. So I can move this one either way or I can extend it. Yeah, pretty much handling the weight of the microphone as well. It's pretty heavy. For this one to test, I'm simply connecting with USB-C. For this microphone testing, I'm using Windows open source application, which is Audacity. Let's do the quick testing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's play back.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Sounds amazing. Let's do the testing a bit from far.
Welcome to the Perspective. Please hit the like button or subscribe button for more updates.
For more clear and crisp voice, you need to be near the microphone. And you can adjust the microphone as per you need it, so there shouldn't be the problem. The stand is also pretty stable, which is great for avoiding annoying little bumps and movements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also for others, it will help to make educated decision before purchasing this FDuce or FDuce microphone. And if you are looking to improve your audio setup, check the description box below for all the details about the FDuce microphone and the stand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.